Today I'll be reviewing my portable power station. Just by the looks of it, you could plug in a lot of different devices into your portable power station. As you can see, you have a gaming system, computer, any lighting, fans, tablets, any electronics, anything like that. So I'm going to be unboxing it today and show you what is included in your portable power station. So first and foremost, you do get your manuals. It will let you know everything you need to know about your portable power station. I love that everything is neatly packed, and it is very nicely packed with styrofoam and stuff, preventing it from getting damaged along the way. So now I'm going to take it out. It is actually very lightweight, very nice. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Do like that it does have a handle here, so this is definitely nice to travel with. Like I said, it is portable, so it's really nice to move it from place to place, travel with, or anywhere around your home. It does come with two different types of chargers, so one of them being the one for your car. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So it does come with a car charger and then for an in-wall charger. Okay, so this is what it looks like and the type of different outlets that it has in your portable power station. As you can see, it has these right here, and then on the side it has a USB, the Type-C, and then these DC. So also another feature that it has, I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up. It does have an option for a light. As you can see, the light is right here in the front, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that light on. All right, so this is a still light. It is a flashing light. Very nice LED light, very bright. On the back side here, you see this is where you will be plugging in, depending on which one you're going to use, to go ahead and charge this up. So simply, once you decide, just plug that in there and then allow it to charge. Here on the front screen, it does have an LCD screen, so I'm going to go ahead and power that on. And then here, the two different options that it gives you is DC. So these are any of these outlets right here. And then you have your AC, which would be these outlets right here. So we're going to go ahead and hit DC. As you can see, it is on right now. So it gives you the power percentage that it has, the battery life. So it's at 100%. So that is really nice. So it'll let you know how much battery you have. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the AC. And again, same thing. As you heard that little fan, it does have a fan. So just make sure that this stays cool as it is giving the power to these, whatever it is that you plug into these. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, it is powered on. I'm going to go ahead and charge the phone just to show you. I have the charger right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. So you can see it is plugged in now. We're going to go ahead and place the phone on the charger. And then we're going to see here, as you can see, it is charging. So really cool. Absolutely love that you're able to have this. It's super convenient. Overall, this is an amazing product to have in your home or carry with you at all times, especially if there's any power outages or anything like that. This is very convenient. I'm absolutely going to have it nearby. There is a lot of times that there is a lot of outages here. So this is going to be great to power on my phone or any laptop, any router, anything like that that I need. This is definitely going to come in handy. But overall, great appearance, very lightweight, and I would definitely recommend.